All right, guys, we are out here at the northeast corner of Pflugerville. One of the great things about Pflugerville is just how close it is to downtown Austin while you're getting such great value out here. This particular house is right down the street from Lake Pflugerville. What a lot of people don't know about Pflugerville is it has over 50 miles of hike and bike trails. This particular house, the toll road is right down the street as well. The tech corridor and all the access from there. One of the things I love about this house, it is just over 2,000 square feet, but the layout on it and the way the backyard is set up makes it super easy to live in it. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but let's go ahead and head on inside so I can show you again just how easy it is to live in this particular house. Right as we get inside the front door, right off the front, we do have, they've got it set up right now as a formal dining space, but could you use this as a flex room? Could you set this up as a kids play area? Could you set it up as an office? Could you set it up as a media room? How would you use this space right off the front? But let's go ahead and see the rest of this house. As you can see how big and open this layout is. And we'll head in here to a couple of these bedrooms. And as we get into some of these bedrooms, again, just over 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, right? Good size bedrooms, lots of natural light coming in as well. We'll head into this secondary bedroom. Again, show you how nice and open and big. You can see with the bed and the furniture in here, you still have plenty of space in this bedroom. I really like, this is your guest bathroom, and I like the way it's set up and nice and long. You do have 2 sinks. We've got the dark wood cabinets on that white countertop, which I really like. And then all the way back in here, you come into the wet area and you can see that the tile is laid out with the subway layout. It's not just your typical builder tub surround, which is, awesome for a house of this size to be able to see that. We'll get right in here and see. This is going to be your kitchen table area, which I really like. It's nice, big, open to the living room, open to the kitchen as well. Everybody's going to gather here and you got plenty of space. Then we actually get into the kitchen itself. Again, we've got those nice dark cabinets with the crown molding around the top. Got the nice big island that you can use as a breakfast bar as well. So again, you get tons of seating, tons of use out of this kitchen. We'll head on in and you can see, again, just from the kitchen to the kitchen table area, a nice open, big area in this living room for everybody to be able to enjoy living in this house. And then we have this office area as well. Again, we talked about what would you use that front bedroom, front flex room for. This is set up as an office right now, which is awesome because you got the view of the backyard, but you could set this up as a secondary living space, kids, media room. Again, what would you use these flex areas for? But let's take a look out. Like I told you, easy living. Head out into this backyard and get to see that while it's not a huge backyard, so you're not overly concerned about how much work it's going to take, but look how pretty it is. Look how big and open this patio is so that you can actually get out here with friends, family, and enjoying your evening time and actually be able to zen out in this pretty backyard. So again, like I said, with the amount of space that we have here and the way that this house flows, the way that you live in it, but let's head on in and check out this primary. Primary being tucked all the way into the back, way away from the street, away from all the other bedrooms. You've got a great view of that pretty backyard, and look at how nice and wide and open this space is. Let's head on into this primary bathroom, have you whip around real fast and take a look, because what I want to show you is houses this size don't typically have closets that go all the way back like this. They don't always have all of this, different heights of hanging as well as the shelves in it. So I really wanted to show you on this house how big that closet was. We do have his and hers vanity. We've got the garden tub, standalone shower, and then we've got some extra shelving back in there as well. So like I said, this house flows so easily with the flow and the size of it for a family, for friends, for entertaining, and just how nice and big and open this is. The layout on it, the backyard, everything is just so great. And for the value of this house, it really does promote what a wonderful life you could have in a house like this. I would love to show you this house or any others like it. My phone's in the description. Give me a call. Let's get you out and look at some of these houses. We'll see you in the next video.